Jason Marsh.
How has it been in Jamaica so far for you?
We love it. It's the first time, well, it's the whole crew first time. We love it. We're enjoying ourselves.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
So what inspired you to do drag racing in Jamaica?
Drag racing in general, my dad and my uncle races, so I grew up in drag racing actually.
Okay.
So that's what inspired me. And then I meet more friends from the Caribbean, and then we call ourselves Island Boys. So we inspire each other actually.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Have you faced any challenges doing drag racing internationally? Especially here coming into Jamaica?
Not really, because I expect they're gonna be cars here that's faster than me, but I don't really worry about it sometimes. Either you lose or you win. So I'm not worried about losing anyway.
How has the race meet been for you so far?
Awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah, awesome. We can't wait to come back. We're coming back in July 21st, I think, that weekend. Yes, the next meet. And then we might be here for the September race. I'm not 100% sure, but July is 100%.
If there's anything you could say to an international racer who wants to pursue drag racing in Jamaica, what would you say to them?
Come down. I'm trying to actually get some of them to come, actually. Because some of them are here, like Elvis is here, he's an international racer. So we're trying to get him to come down next year for the next race. And I got a few friends, big racers also up there. So I'm trying to get everybody to come to the Caribbean to race. Like we come to the US to race, they can come to the Caribbean to race also.
How is the track and the drag meet in comparison to back home?
It's a little bit different, like the track prep, but the vibes is, to me here in the Caribbean, is way better than up there. Up there is non-stop working. Here we work and then we go talk shit over here and go meet some friends that we never met before. So I like racing in the Caribbean actually more than racing, and the cars they last longer. Up there you gotta go on the edge because here you can actually turn it down and run it and run it and run it. So it's more fun down here to me, especially the weather too.
The weather as well, right?
Yes, because up there you race up there sometimes really cold. So
Okay. And of course, the weather affects the performance of the car.
Yeah, for sure.
Can you give us a little insight on the specs of your car?
It's a GSR. It's a Acura Integra motor, 1.8 turbocharged, aluminum rods. It's come two cams, precision turbo. It's simple, normal stuff.
Well, we hope you enjoy. I mean, it's the last day, but I hope you enjoyed the meet so far, and we look forward to seeing you again on our track.
All right, thank you.